last September or October yata yun, na namulaklak tong jasmine. And then, ngayon, nagkaroon siya ng bunga, diba? Nagbunga siya, ito. Tsaka ito. Ngayon, hinog na siya. Give me a comments, guys, if who knows kung kakain ba tong bunga ng jasmine or itatanim. Ayan. Oh. Ang cute. So give me a comments, guys, and thank you for watching. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.